The Nature of Slobs. This week, the fashion. At the crack of dawn, the slob beast appears quite knackered as he prepares for his day with plenty of fluids. Here we can see the precision acquired by years of evolution as the beast readies himself for the final wake-up. Unfortunately, the glamorous slob beast is endangered due to the sudden rise of past and new trends in fashion, such as the metrosexual, hypercolor shirt, parachute pants, and the infamous slap bracelet. Startled, the majestic slob beast rises earlier than intended out of his sleeping bag, as not to disturb his already made bed, and begins his daily routine. Notice the growl before he urinates. Here he consumes more fluids in preparation for his big day. The length of his urination can only be described as one thing: terrific. Clutter and lack of cleanliness runs common with the slob beasts. Here he prepares his exotic wardrobe with brilliant, swift, precise kicks. And forging. Distracted, the beast grooms himself. But wait, he has found his perfect shirt. He puts on his soiled shirt with a magnificent technique that can only be described as dive dressing. The slob beast spots his shorts on the floor. Here we can see another incredible execution of dive dressing. Truly a remarkable fashion characteristic found only among slob beasts. Once again, he consumes more fluids in preparation. Here, two male beasts communicate with each other. Let's listen.
Nice stain on your shirt. Whatever.
Absolutely stunning. Both beasts interacting. Clearly one trying to establish fashion dominance. Here, he grabs shoes. And breakfast. And a flute, used in the performance of mating calls. The slob beast puts on his shoes with the most delicate attention to detail.
You saying something?
Yeah.